there's a lot of different answers to that question. Is your front door just a door? Or is your front door have side lights? That's the little panels to the left or to the right, or in some cases, both sides of the door. Does your door have a transom? Is your transom a rectangle, or is it a half round or an ellipse or things like that? All these affect the price of it. And then, are you putting a very simple door in, or are you putting a very elegant door in? I'm just using my house as an example. I built 16 years ago. I have one of my doors in it. It's actually a French door, and they're 8-foot tall doors, which is over height. It is beautiful. I spent way more money than I ever imagined, and I am the president of the company. And it's just, but to this day, and my house is 16 years old, people that come to my house are like, "Oh my God, your front door is beautiful." And I'm like, "Thank you, I know." And the reason why I tell that story is I'm in the industry, and I spent a boatload of money on it and thought, "My God, that's a lot of money." And I get an employee discount and all that good stuff. It's like, it's just to what budget you want to spend. Just using an example, on the backside elevation of my house, I have doors that aren't anywhere as fancy as the front door, and they were far less costly. But I would tell you, the minimum you're getting into a front door for is $2,000 to $3,000, but you can go way, way up from there. And again, it depends if there's side lights or doors or transoms or ellipses and all that stuff. But it can go, when I'm ballparking that low number, that is entry level, one door. You can go dynamically higher very fast. And I'm not saying that to scare people. It doesn't matter what door company you talk to, doors are expensive. And so the main thing about it is not only do you want to get a quality product, you want to get a quality installation. So like, you can have the world's best door. If it's installed by a moron, it will be worthless, because you'll have air infiltration, moisture infiltration, door won't operate properly, it'll be a nightmare. And conversely, you can have the world's best installer. If you buy a low-end crappy product, it's again going to be a nother. It's not going to hold up or be durable or anything, because they can only work with what they have to work with. The key here is you want to get a top-notch product with a top-notch installation, and you want somebody who's been in business that can stand behind it, so that if you do have an issue, you didn't waste all that money for nothing. So, but again, it's the answer to that question is, how much does a car cost? What kind of car are you buying? Same thing with the door. What kind of door are you getting?